Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving into one of the most tempting snacks out there, cookies. Whether it's a late night craving, a sweet treat with coffee, or something to toss in your lunchbox, cookies are hard to resist. But here's the thing, not all cookies are made equal. Some of the biggest, most trusted brands are secretly packed with trans fats, preservatives, artificial flavors, and more sugar than you'd ever expect. These ingredients can lead to energy crashes, weight gain, and even long-term health problems if you're eating them regularly. So in this video, we're exposing 9 cookie brands you should avoid at all costs. And then we'll wrap up with 2 that are actually safe and worth your money. Let's jump right in. 9 cookies to avoid chips. Ahoy! Original and chewy. It's one of America's favorite cookies, but here's the ugly truth. Chips Ahoy is full of high fructose corn syrup, artificial flavors, and preservatives like TBHQ, which have been linked to negative health effects when consumed regularly. The chewy version is even worse, loaded with palm oil and added sugars that can mess with your metabolism. Oreo. It's the world's best-selling cookie, but at what cost? Each Oreo contains over 40 ingredients, including artificial coloring, high fructose corn syrup, and processed oils. And that cream filling. There's no real cream, just sweetened shortening and synthetic flavorings. It's nostalgia in a cookie, but your body definitely won't thank you. Famous Amos. They claim to be bite-sized premium cookies, but there's nothing premium about cheap vegetable oils and refined sugars. These little cookies can spike your blood sugar fast and leave you craving more in minutes, just like candy. Keebler Fudge Stripes. They may look cute and fun, but don't let the fudge stripes fool you. The chocolate coating isn't even real chocolate. It's an artificial chocolate-flavored glaze packed with hydrogenated oils. This means you're eating a cookie that's rough on your heart and offers no real nutritional value. Pepperidge Farm Milano Cookies. These cookies look elegant and sound high-end, but the truth is they're made with processed flour, refined sugar, and palm oil. The chocolate filling is minimal, and the European bakery image is just clever marketing. You're basically paying for the packaging more than the product. Little Debbie Oatmeal Creme Pies. These might remind you of childhood, but they're a sugar bomb in disguise. Each pie has 25 plus grams of sugar, artificial flavoring, and preservatives linked to inflammation. That oatmeal name is misleading. This isn't a wholesome snack, it's dessert pretending to be healthy. Entenmann's Cookies. Soft and chewy sounds great, right? But that softness comes from chemical emulsifiers and artificial preservatives. These cookies also sneak in more sodium and sugar than you'd expect from something that markets itself as a light treat. Mrs. Fields Cookies. Packaged. We all love the smell of fresh Mrs. Fields cookies, but the packaged versions, completely different story. They're made with corn syrup, palm oil, and artificial vanilla flavor. They've lost all the warmth of the fresh bakery version and turned into another processed snack. Great value. Walmart brand. If you're shopping on a budget, this brand might catch your eye. But Great Value cookies are made with the cheapest oils and fillers, including partially hydrogenated fats and fake chocolate flavoring. You're saving money upfront, but paying with your health later. 2 cookies that are actually safe. Now, it's not all bad news. These cookies are a total game changer. Made with almond flour, coconut oil, and organic coconut sugar, they're gluten-free, grain-free, and naturally sweetened. You'll actually recognize every ingredient on the label, and they taste delicious without overloading you with sugar. Tate's Bake Shop Cookies. Tate's are thin, crispy, and made the old-fashioned way: real butter, eggs, and sugar. No preservatives or artificial ingredients. Sure, they're still a treat, but at least you're eating real food made from real ingredients, not chemicals. So there you have it. 9 cookies to skip and 2 that won't wreck your health. Next time you're in the cookie aisle, Take a second to flip the package and read those ingredients. You'll be surprised how much junk hides behind fancy packaging and nostalgic branding. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who loves cookies, and don't forget to subscribe for more honest food breakdowns. Thanks for watching, and remember, stay smart with your snacks.